To begin, start by standing with your arms straight out on either side. To stretch your right side, touch your left hand to the floor behind your left ankle while looking up at the ceiling. If this stretch is too intense for you, try placing a yoga block straight up to help raise the floor. As this stretch becomes easier, flip the block so that it is lower to the floor. The yoga block can be flipped one more time to further intensify the stretch. Here is the same progression viewed from the side. So we can continue to make these free educational videos, please subscribe to our channel.